The opposition PNP is urging the government to ensure healthcare staff are fully protected as Jamaica intensifies surveillance for COVID-19 coronavirus. The opposition also backed the decision to deny entry to a cruise ship in Ocho Rios due to fears of the virus. Shamila Pullen picks up that story.
On Wednesday, the Health Ministry denied access to a cruise line with over 4,500 passengers and over 1,600 crew members in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. Routine checks showed that a crew member was placed in isolation on board due to a cough, fever, muscle pains, and a travel history to a country which has been affected by COVID-19. Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Maurice Guy, has commended the ministry's decision.
Yes, I think it was the best decision that we taken in the interest of the health and well-being of the Jamaican population. Truth is that we have to protect our borders. The minister is showing that he's listening. If I must give him credit, the fact is that 2 weeks ago we issued a statement. We had concerns about the seaports. We see yesterday where based on our advocacy, that the particular measures were taken on board.
Dr. Guy, however, warned that Jamaica should brace for economic decline associated with COVID-19, as tourism is vital to the global economy.
The fact is that with this new virus, which, as we have been told, is transmissible even without symptoms, it makes it a global headache. So drastic measures will have to be taken, and countries will have to take the decision whether they are in it just to earn the buck from tourism, or they're also in it to protect the health of their citizens.
Meanwhile, as Jamaica prepares for COVID-19, Deputy Opposition Spokesman on Health, Dr. Shane Alexis, wants Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton and his team to ensure the full protection of frontline staff, including healthcare professionals.
Whatever the protocols are, we must insist as a country for our own benefits. In other words, from the healthcare professionals, as you know, I'm a doctor, so from that side, that perspective, but additionally, that those persons have families and friends that can pass on infections unknowingly. And therefore, we must insist that the ministry put every measure in place at all times, that healthcare is seen as an investment and not a cost to the country.
That includes adequate safety gear such as masks and gloves. Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.